Hi, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about 8 health benefits of ginger tea. Let's go to the video. Nothing beats cold in the winter like a piping hot cup of ginger tea. With its high levels of vitamin C, magnesium and other minerals, ginger root is extremely beneficial for health. Once made into tea, you can add peppermint, honey or lemon to mask the taste of the ginger. Here's why you should have this soothing beverage. Number 1. Boosts immunity. In these tough times, the only thing we can do to keep ourselves safe and healthy is by taking care of our immunity. With no treatment for the novel coronavirus yet, experts and doctors are encouraging people to keep their immunity up and tight. You might not know, ginger tea can do wonders on this area as per studies. Ginger has volatile oils, which have anti-inflammatory properties similar to that of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. This makes ginger an excellent remedy for headache, flu and even menstrual pain. People suffering from osteoarthritis also have claimed that regular consumption of ginger tea has lowered their medication intake. Ginger also helps boost the digestive system, which is the first step to stay healthy and stay in shape. In a tweet, Ministry of Ayush said, "Ginger from your kitchen can go a long way in keeping diseases at bay." The humble ginger not only adds flavor to your dishes but also serves up numerous health benefits. Number 2. Relieve nausea. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before traveling can help prevent the nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness. You can also drink a cuppa at the first sign of nausea to relieve the symptom. Number 3. Improve stomach performance. Useful in improving digestion and increasing absorption of food, ginger tea can bloating after eating too much. Number 4. Reduce inflammation. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal home remedy for muscle and joint problems. In addition to drinking ginger tea, you can also use it to soak inflamed joints. Number 5. Fight respiratory problems. Ginger tea can help relieve congestion associated with the common cold. Try a cup of ginger tea for the respiratory symptoms associated with environmental allergies. Number 6. Improve blood circulation. The vitamins, minerals and amino acids in ginger tea can help restore and improve blood circulation that may help decrease the chance of cardiovascular problems. Ginger may prevent fat from depositing in the arteries, helping to prevent heart attacks and stroke. Number 7. Relieve menstrual discomfort. This one is for all women suffering from menstrual cramps. Try soaking a towel in warm ginger tea and apply it to your lower abdomen. It may help relieve the pain and relax the muscles. At the same time, drink a cup of ginger tea with honey. Number 8. Relieve stress. Ginger tea has calming properties that may help lower your stress and tension. This is thought to be due to a combination of the strong aroma and healing properties.
If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your valuable comment with us. Thank you.